Good one? Little acrobat. Who's your guy? What's up, everybody? Here fishing 10 Mile Creek again. Got my dad with me today. Should be a really good father-son time. And headed down, just dropped the kayak off. He's got a little fishing pontoon. And we're gonna give it a try, fish 10 Mile Creek, see if we can't pull some big old 10 Mile Creek smallies. Okay guys, we're gonna be throwing the 4-inch ring fry by Lake Fork Lures. Gonna give that a try since my dad from Lake Fork is here. So anyways, gonna try and wacky rig it. Hopefully it'll hold on, but that's what it is, 4-inch. I'm gonna give it a try. It looks pretty sweet. I think the smallmouth are gonna tear this up. There he is. It's a good one there. Oh yeah. Good fish. Oh, it came off. It's a good fish. I didn't have him hooked good. He was just running with it. See if there's any more in there. That's actually the biggest fish I've ever hooked in this hole. Usually they've just been, you know, the average, 12-inch fish, 10-inch fish. I'm probably the only guy on YouTube that ever features the fish that got away. So guys, we have made it to the honey hole. This is it right here. I broke the GoPro mount to get here. Lost a really good fish. I'll say really good fish. How do you know if you lose it, right? And my dad is huffing and puffing and mad at me because I've taken him way back in here and it's been rough. On top of all of that, it's normally kind of tough to get back in here, but because of all the rain that we've had, there's a bit more current in here. So even paddling, is a lot more strenuous because we're going up upstream here. But anyway, here we are, about to catch some pigs. I have a feeling I'm going to need to get my net from you here in a minute.
Oh, I don't know why you need it.
I'm about to catch a pig. There he is. Alright, it's me. Y'all go out? Oh, get the net, Dad. Yeah, just keep the pole tip off. Yeah, he'll run you every which way. It's a good one, too. How big is he?
About 4 or 5 pounds.
Yeah, whatever. That was a double. Oh. He had a 15-incher. Wow. That Senko? I'm probably going to go back to that. Yeah, that's what I love about those smallies, man. They're so aggressive. I thought you were feeling, I thought you would cross me and you were feeling my fish.
I knew I wasn't close to you. I was,
but good fish. Boy, I'm the rock bass king today. Caught two. Normally I'll catch maybe one. Belly's full. Oh, I barely have him hooked though. Yes, sir. Yeah. I barely got him hooked. That doesn't get bigger than I thought. He's not real big, but. Fish. There he is. Okay, dude. A bitty one. He just soaked me. Well, their bite is extremely subtle today. There he is. A good one. I'm not even on the log. Woo, he's a good one. I need my net. If I don't lose him. That ain't very nice. Yeah. Man. Oh. Here, I may have played him out there. There we go. Woo, he's a dandy.
Catch that same fish I caught a while ago?
No, it's a lot bigger.
No.
In this snake hole, I'd prefer not to be in.
What's that? Nah, that ain't the biggest one I caught.
Yeah, he is. He's so full of it.
What do you mean a lot bigger? Huh?
He is a lot bigger than the one you caught.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
I don't know, he's probably what, 14 inches? Not bad.
13 inches.
13, 14 inches. You know what? I need to set a. Oh, right there. Probably like you said, about 13. Well, I didn't know if I was going to get that in the boat. That's what's bad about this little kayak.
Oh, Jared. Oh, Jared.
You got a real good one?
Oh, Jared.
Who's cheating now? Yeah, try to keep him out of it. I don't know, I hope you didn't lose it. See if I can get this in ready for you. Oh, yeah. I can't get the net. Oh, oh. Keep catching, just keep catching. Can't see him. There he is. That's a good fish, Dad. You're the one that went into me.
No, you paddled right up beside me.
I'm trying to net the fish for you.
Did I tell you I needed your help?
You sure look like it. He ain't bad.
He's been caught before too.
That's probably 16 incher.
Who's your daddy?
Who's your guide?
Well, I taught you everything you know.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, it's hot right here.
It is warm. Watch your foot.